Here we are at the entrance of Mount Yangwu. Whew. Alright. Hope it doesn't rain. At least dito malamig, di katulad sa Baguio. Whew. Hangin, grabe. I love the mountains and I love the clear blue skies. I love the forests. I love to see more sights. I want to see all the things in life that I could find. I want to lay back, peace and quiet to unwind. I want to sleep in. I want to take bye-byes. I want to take in peace and all, I hope that rhymes. I like a dog or two, no need for a wife. I like to stay alone, entirety of my life. And to my family, I'd give them gifts of glee. No children, but I give them something for a treasury. Tell them to enjoy their life, happy and incredibly. And then I'd stay alone, that's just what I like for me.